Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can add vendors on Zoho Books. It's very easy thing to do. First, go to zoho.com/books, then log in to your account. After logging in, from the home page, select the plus icon. Then here you will see a bunch of options here. Now from here you will see an option vendor. Just select it. Then you will see a form here. Now enter your company name, then enter vendor display name, enter your vendor email. You can add vendor phone. You can add your other details. You can also add your address, custom fields, reporting tags, remarks, etc. After fill up everything, then what you have to do, just click on save and it will be saved, and that's how you can add vendors on Zoho Books. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips.